हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में. So today we are going to discuss about a internship program that is launched by Google. So we are going to talk about everything in this video, about the eligibility, about the application, what are the things important, what are the minimum qualifications that are important, what is your work, what will be your work, what is job about. We are going to talk everything in this video, as we have talked about the job notification that has came about the Google on the recruitment process of 2021-22. So we are going to talk about this thing today. We are going to talk about this thing. शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. उससे पहले अगर आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel, because we are coming up these kind of videos is like about job notifications, about interview tips, about interview experience, about part-time jobs, about how to earn money online. We are coming up with these kind of videos, so please consider subscribing it and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's start with the video and let's see how can we apply, what are the things important, what are the minimum qualification, what are the what are the preferred things that you need to do if you are going through this interview process, or if your resume got shortlisted. Because for Google we talk about shortlisting only. लाइक सिलेक्शन तो बात की बात होती है, पहले शॉर्टलिस्टिंग की बात करते हैं. बिकॉज गूगल इज रिसीविंग नंबर ऑफ रेज्यूमेज, लाइक दे विल रिसीव लैक्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ रेज्यूमेज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी विल open any browser, any web browser, and we'll paste this link. This link will be also provided in the description, so you don't need to worry about that. And this is the basic application form for your internship. It is a summer internship of 2021 का summer internship जो अभी आने वाला है समर, उसका internship है. It will be mostly in your June and July. So let's talk about what are the locations. The locations are Bangalore, Karnataka, and Hyderabad, Telangana. These are the location in Bangalore and Hyderabad. And the thing is that what are the things that are minimum qualifications. This is very important. So talking about the minimum qualifications, the minimum qualification is, the first one is your currently pursuing bachelor's degree. So you are pursuing your bachelor's degree in information technology, information system, computer science, or other technical related field that are related to your computer science. Suppose you are doing your bachelor's in science, that is BSc in computer science, or you are doing your BCA in computer science, or you are doing your, like, BCA is only in computer science, computer applications, and doing your bachelor's degree, that is BTech in computer science, or IT, or ECE, that is related to, that is also some subjects are related to your computer science. So you can apply for this job. And the thing is that currently in your penultimatum year, what is the meaning of this line? Suppose your degree is of 4 years, that is BTech. Suppose you are doing BTech, that is your 4 years in computer science. Then the third year is eligible. The third year, penultimatum year, is just before the last year. Okay, the third year is eligible. Suppose you are from BSc or BCA, then second year is eligible. Okay, so that is the meaning of penultimatum year. Experience in one or more general purpose language. Suppose you are having experience in C language, C++, Python. Experience means that you are working. Suppose you have made some projects on that. Suppose you are making some projects on that. You have some experience, hands-on experience, some practical experience. You are posting some projects, making some projects and posting it on GitHub. So that is the practical knowledge, some experience we can say. So that is the thing. And talking about the preferred qualification, these are the preferred qualification. You can also read this, but we will talk about only the minimum qualification. This is a minimum qualification. And what is about job? See, they have, first thing I will tell you कि यहाँ पे बहुत सी चीज़ें लिखी हुई है, like you have to do this also, this also, this also, this also. But I will tell you one thing, what you have to do. आपको करना क्या है कि गूगल में बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट, देयर आर मेनी डिपार्टमेंट. गूगल क्लाउड इज देयर, गूगल इज ऑल्सो इन ऐप डेवलपमेंट, ऑल्सो इन वेब डेवलपमेंट. देयर आर मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ गूगल. सो व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल असाइन यू some department according to your skills and qualification. Suppose you are good at Android development, so it will give you a Android development department, and you can work in that department. Your internship will be held in that department. And these are the responsibilities. It is same about the job description. Okay, so these are the things. And talking about some salaries, many of you are saying that salary क्या मिलेगी, इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं, सैलरी क्या मिलेगी. तो सैलरी यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी है. It is a good stipend they are paying. Like they have not mentioned, but seeing about the previous many internships, many have done the internships. So talking about the previous, from the previous experience, like its stipend starts from 40,000 minimum. The minimum is 40,000. It can go up to 80,000 also. So it will vary between 40 to 80,000 according to your performance, according to your, like, what you do, what are the responsibilities you are performing. So it will depend upon what is the interview process. So it will depend on everything. And these are the things. And what is the thing that first thing I will tell you, that what happens, there will be two coding questions will be there, that will be conducted on your hacker rank पे coding questions होते हैं. So you have to clear that coding questions. उस कोडिंग क्वेश्चन को जब क्लियर करते हो उसके बाद आगे का प्रोसेस होता है. आगे का प्रोसेस अगर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग, पहले तो शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होती है. वी नीड टू शॉर्टलिस्ट, मतलब शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होना जरूरी है. और एक चीज़ मैं बताऊं कि यहाँ पे जो मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन और जो भी मांगा है, सपोज एक्सपीरियंस मांगा है, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस अपने रेज्यूमे में लिख देना कि तुमको ये चीज़ें बनाई हैं, क्योंकि ना शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होना इंपॉर्टेंट, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद आपको टाइम मिलेगा, यू विल गेट सम टाइम एंड यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. सपोज आपने प्रोजेक्ट एक भी नहीं बनाया है, तो एक दो प्रोजेक्ट्स आप खुद से बना के जल्दी जल्दी, मतलब अगर चाह है बनने की, मतलब हार्ड वर्किंग हो, आप स्मार्ट वर्क करो, तो आप कर सकते हो वो चीज़. ठीक है, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होना इंपॉर्टेंट, इसलिए मैं ये चीज़ बता रहा हूँ. And how to apply? So I will click on this apply button. It is basic thing and it is same as your the notification, the application we have done. It is very simple application and you will get I will show you the mail. A mail will also come when you submit this application. A mail will come of internship that your form has been successfully submitted. So I will complete this. It is a very easy form, very easy form. Suppose you are a fresher, okay, applying for a first job, so you just need to click on yes. फ्रेशर हो, इंटर्नशिप करो तो फ्रेशर ही हो गए, ऑब्वियसली फ्रेशर हो गए, तो येस कर देना है बस. और ये सारी चीज़ें भर के इसको कंप्लीट कर देना है. कंप्लीट कर दोगे, उसका रिव्यू के लिए एक आएगा पेज. यू विल कंप्लीट द रिव्यू. आफ्टर द रिव्यू व्हाट हैपेंस दैट रिव्यू के बाद एक मेल आता है. यू विल गेट अ मेल ऑन योर रजिस्टर्ड मेल ID, so that your form has been successfully submitted. And if your resume get shortlisted, suppose your resume get shortlisted, you will get a mail that congratulations mail that your resume has been shortlisted, and the further process will be told to you. So this is the basic thing, that how to apply, what are the things, what important. Very important is your resume. If you are going to Google, I have also told the same thing in the recruitment process of Google, that was for 2021 20 batch, 22 batch. It is for everyone, so I have told you. So this was all about Google internship. So in this video we have talked about the internship, summer internship of 2021 that is going to held in 2021 for the penultimatum year. Suppose your degree is of 3 years, then second year is your penultimatum, the just before your final year. Okay, so we have talked about everything, eligibility criteria, minimum qualifications, some tips I have also shared, some resumes. Like resumes are very important if you are going to do an internship in Google. If you want to get shortlisted, resume is very very important. It is the main thing in Google. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, and if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, because I have been posting many materials also there also, so you can join that, and some job notification are being posted there also. So just join that, because कई चीज़ें होती है ना, जैसे तुरंत आई और उसका मुझे पता चला तुरंत कि आज कल इसका लास्ट डेट है. वीडियो कभी कभी पॉसिबल नहीं होती है, तो उस समय हम वहीं पे नोटिफिकेशन शेयर कर देते हैं. वी शेयर एवरीथिंग एंड इन आवर यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद सम न्यू टॉपिक. अगर वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो हिट दैट लाइक बटन. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो प्लीज गो डाउन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, बिकॉज वी आर कमिंग अप दीज काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज ऑन जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस, ऑन जॉब like interview tips, on interview experience, on how to earn money, on how to do a part-time job. So we will be coming up with these kind of videos in the future also. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.